Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel Tech Info, and I am Wasif Mumtaz. In this video I will tell you that how to remove background noise from your audios. So let's start the video. We are here in our Adobe Audition. So we will take a new audio file, and we will name this audio file as YouTube and click OK. Now you see that interface. I will start recording. You see that line when I am not speaking, and you will see that background noise in this audio. So in this video we will learn how to remove this background noise in the audio. So let's start the video. Now we will stop recording. We have stopped recording. I will suggest you that always try to give gap of 5 to 8 seconds, then start your recording. So we will use this first portion to remove the noise from our audio, and then we will delete this portion. So you see that a noise in my audio. You have seen that noise in this audio because I am recording this audio in a large room, and also my fan is turned on. So you see that noise in my audio. So let's start to remove the noise. First of all, you have to select this portion of area when we are not speaking, then go to effects, noise reduction, and click on noise reduction process. When you click on that, here are many different default preset available. So when I click on default, it will show that defaults option, and I will click capture noise print. Now it will capture my print of the noise. So after capture noise print, we will select entire file. And now if we want custom, if I have large number of noise in our audio, we will go to 90 to 95 to 100. But I will not suggest to do that 95 to 80, because when we do that our audio is affected. So let's try to remove this in 70%, and here we will remove using 30% almost. So we will use 30 dB. Now we listen our voice. If we have
You see
low
that
noise,
line.
we will adjust according to this, then click apply. Now you see that all of our noise is gone. We will play the audio from here. You see that all of our
You see that
noises.
line when I am not speaking. And
So if you do not left the space to remove noise, background noise from your audio, let's undo this, and now select all by Control A, and now go to effects, noise reduction and restoration, and click to adaptive noise reduction. Do not change these settings. I will not recommend you to do this, but you can go to light or heavy or de-reverb single source. So I will use heavy noise reduction or light noise reduction. First of all, we will check heavy noise reduction. So when I click on heavy noise reduction, then we
you
listen.
will see that background noise.
If we find that our audio is noise free, we will click apply, and you see that our noise is removed.